In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a landscape A3 size in Canva. If you're preparing a poster, flyer, or presentation slide for print, A3 landscape is a great choice because it's wide and spacious, and it follows standard print dimensions. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by heading to the main dashboard in Canva. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, where all your recent designs and templates are displayed. If you've been working on another project, just return to the home screen so you're starting from a clean slate. Next, click the Create button at the top. Depending on your interface, this may read Create a Design, and it usually sits in the upper right corner. Clicking this opens a menu that helps you pick the exact size and format you want, which is important for consistent printing and layout. From here, use the search bar that appears in the design picker to type in A3. Type it exactly as A3 to bring up the standard options. A3 is a common print size that measures 297 by 420 millimeters, and Canva has it ready so you don't have to set it manually. You'll see an option labeled A3 Landscape in the results. Make sure you choose the landscape version, not portrait, because landscape is the wider horizontal layout. Selecting the correct orientation at this stage saves you time and prevents layout issues later on. Click A3 Landscape, and Canva will create the design for you. A new blank canvas opens at the correct A3 landscape dimensions, and you're ready to build your project. You'll notice the workspace looks like a wide page. That's how you can tell the orientation is set correctly. From this point, you can do whatever you want with your design. Add text, images, shapes, and brand elements just like you normally would. If you're planning to print, using high-quality images and keeping important content away from the edges can help avoid trimming. You can also zoom in and out to check details and ensure everything looks crisp and balanced. That's all there is to it. By starting from the main dashboard, clicking Create, searching A3, and selecting A3 Landscape, you get a perfectly sized, ready-to-use canvas for your landscape project. It's quick, accurate, and ideal for getting professional results without guesswork. Give it a try on your next poster or handout, and enjoy the extra room that the landscape layout provides.